In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix failed to connect to the Rockstar Games Library Service error. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type services. Click on services under the best match. Then here we need to simply scroll down to the R section. Okay. Now, once you're in the R section, you need to simply locate the Rockstar Game Library Service. So if you find the Rockstar Game Library Service, what you can do, you just need to simply make a right click and then select Properties, Startup Type, change that to Manual, and then Service Status, you have to click on the Start button to start the Rockstar Game Library Service. Then you have to click on Apply and click on OK. Next method, so we need to close this. Press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. And here you need to type msconfig, click on OK. Then click on the Services tab. Now check this box, Hide all Microsoft services. And then you just need to simply locate the Rockstar Game Library Service from here. So once you find the Rockstar Game Library Service from here, what you can do is you need to simply check that to enable that. So if this is the Rockstar Game Library Service, you just have to check that. Click on Enable All, click on Apply, and click on OK, okay? And then you have to restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.